It's finally arrived. So what we have here is a carbon fibre paddle I've been waiting for some time. It's taken about 50 days from order to delivery from AliExpress. It's from a company called Okhealing, and there are 3 different length options. You can have the 220 to 230, the 210 to 220, or the 230 to 240, and they're adjustable within those sizes. So I went for the 230 to 240. It's a 2-part carbon fibre panel which connects in the middle with like a tension grip. You also get a free tether to keep it attached to the kayak in case you lost it, but apparently it does actually float. They claim that the kayak weighs under 920 grams. It's actually slightly less than that. The blade width is 15 centimeters, and it is allegedly fully carbon fibre. It definitely looks fully carbon fibre to me. The actual shape of the blades, or the spoon, apparently is expressed, whatever that means. Someone's left that as a comment. I'm sure that's a technical term. But in terms of delivery, it was packaged really well in a cardboard box with lots of bubble wrap. It arrived undamaged, but it did take a very long time to be delivered. The actual build quality of the paddle is really impressive. It is incredibly light. There's no play in it whatsoever. There's no vibration or rattle when you've connected it. From a visual point of view, I'd say this was most definitely the most impressive paddle I've seen. It also comes with this very nice mesh bag, which fits it perfectly, and you can actually get another paddle in here as well. I managed to put 2 in. So I haven't actually taken it out into the water yet, but so far I'm very impressed. So the price can fluctuate for this on AliExpress. I actually paid about £94 for it. It's currently on the day I upload this, at £115, and that includes delivery and VAT to the UK. So, and for anyone that's a bit worried or concerned about ordering with AliExpress, they are very good. Some items can be delivered fairly quickly, within sort of 3 or 4 weeks. Some items do take longer. So far, so good with this, and I look forward to testing it soon.